Hi, I'm Craig McLeod and welcome to Drift My Ride. Today we've got Stuart and his E36 M3 Compact. The BMW 3 Series platform is one of the most popular due to its size, weight, handling, cost, aftermarket support and flexibility. The E36 Compact is a great start as they mostly came with a 1.6 and 1.8 litre engine, which means the chassis will have not seen much stress. BMW built the E36 using a modular approach, so an engine bay housing a 4-cylinder was also designed to fit a 6-cylinder. This means replacing a weedy 4-cylinder engine with a more powerful BMW 6-cylinder is very straightforward. Engine and gearbox mounts will bolt into factory locations and fuel and electrical systems can be made to work using factory BMW parts. Stuart? How you doing?
Pleased to meet you.
Yeah, nice to come. Thank you for coming along.
No problem.
So you brought us a 36, but this one's had quite a lot of work done to it, isn't it?
It's got had a wee bit.
And a lot of it's been done by you and the guys at Everley Garage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's, I suppose, start with the main difference between this 36 is that you've put an M3 engine in it.
The possibility came up, so didn't say no.
Yeah. So when you got the car, what was it?
Started off as just a basic 316 compact, and we took it for the end, stripped it down to a bare shell.
Was this your first drift car that you made? No. Did you have like a...
No, we've had a few.
So an easy enough swap to do, is it?
Straightforward. Before the engine got changed, the engine bay was stripped, blasted, then repainted in the original colour. New wings, new front panel, bumper, everything like that, all painted the same.
What M3 engine is it?
It's the S50.
S50.
3 litre.
3 litre, okay. So what kind of power do you make?
It was dynoed at 300.
Oh wow, okay. So this is a decent amount of power in a car. In the car this size as well, that's good. When you took it out, did you just do like the standard like water pump, all that kind of things, or was it? Did you know it was a good engine?
Oh, I knew it was a good engine, but still, it's new King's Racing shells and the
did the bearings as well?
Done the bottom end, ARP stud kit.
Just to make sure it was
that
perfect.
It's going to be right.
Yeah.
And it's going to last.
It has lasted quite a while, isn't it?
It's done it right.
Yeah.
It's took a few beatings. So.
How long have you had her out like this in this form?
In this form, about 6 months.
6 months, yeah. So I suppose you've done quite a lot of cool stuff to the suspension and the steering setup. So like you've had your own like steering made, but kind of similar to an SLR stuff. Instead of
the alloy stuff on the SLR is steel.
So this is like your cut. Do you sell that kit or is
no? It's just a couple of my mates who are engineers. They get pissed and play about with their machines.
So you got some drunk engineers making the steering.
Yeah,
excellent.
Yeah, they have a few beers and say we could make that. Suspension wise, HSDs, coilovers, true rear coilovers on the rear with 7 kilogram springs. Yeah,
and that true rear, that takes the normal like spring that you have sitting on the arm, and it takes it on, and it just makes it into the coilover. Yeah. And that was to stop your springs just falling out.
The springs were falling out. The springs were tired as well.
You've done some alignment stuff on the rear as well, haven't you?
The rear end's got a adjustable rear beam for camber and toe. So the rear wheels are toe in. So for grip.
Yeah. So a wee bit of toe in just gives you that little bit of grip forward.
You'll see it when you drive for acceleration. Camber as well with the compact. As you know, with running compact, you lower it, you get mega camber.
How does that work? Because I thought they were fixed, aren't they?
No, they've got fixed. They've got points on the beam where the trailer arm mounts, and you basically put camber bolts and washers.
Oh, right, okay.
Eccentric bolts and washers, in there, and then you can adjust them. My main reason is there's no point in having an M3 and then burning half a tyre.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that to me is defeating the purpose.
So do you get flat? Zero camber on the rear and a wee bit of toe in?
Zero camber, it's +1.
Okay.
It's +1 positive on the rear and mega toe in.
Inside as well? It's like, gee whiz, this actually runs a wee bit like Star Trek, this thing, isn't it?
It's alright.
What is this steer shifter?
I think it's Born to Drift or something like that, you get that from.
Oh, so then you can bolt everything straight down onto the top of the tunnel, and then you're not. Right.
You're not welding anything to the tunnel.
And then so it's easy to remove it. And
so if it needs to be removed or changed, it's straightforward. There's no cutting welds or buffing.
And then you're running. I think you're running it. Are you running everything through the car? Fuels and
fuel lines. Yeah. Power. Brake, all goes through the car. Yeah,
keep everything off the bottom so it doesn't get ripped about.
I learned that with my last car.
And you've also put in a nice beefy cage.
Yeah, it's alright. Added a couple of bits and pieces in.
Did you add the extra cross brace to it?
Yeah.
Is it anything else that's been done, trick to her that you've done? So we've got wee gauges here.
Oil pressure, basically the main thing. AFR, just so I know what it's doing.
Yeah, so it's not boosted cars, it's not quite as important.
It's not quite as important, but it's still good to know.
Yeah. An M gauge cluster here.
Yeah, and M3 clocks.
Was all just sort of pop that in? Is that just easy?
Go straight in.
Magic. And everything plugs in and works easy. So BMW just always works. Yeah.
The wiring loom has been lightened.
Even though you've got rid of a lot of the stuff, it's not a horrible place to be. Like nice door card. You got door cards on it, so it doesn't look like you're going to get sliced to death by something.
that was the whole point of them. You see some cars and the window regulators are there. There's holes here. Plus, if somebody hits you, there's something there to protect you as well. So.
Well, I don't think there's much left to do really. Then be ready for this. that answer will do. Right, let's go take her for a spin. Right, let's see what this is like. Woo! Well, door, you're trying to get out that quickly. How short is the diff? 4-1? No. What is it? 88. Fuck. Feels like way short. Yep. Just once it gets up. this is so, like, to do this track, you just got to set it on song. You don't have to worry about breaking loads of stuff. You don't have to have masses of more money spent on it. Yeah, I think this is like the perfect 36. It is, honestly, it's brilliant. Dude, thank you so much. Right guys, if you could like, share and subscribe to these videos on Driftland TV, that'd be brilliant. And if you could follow me at Craig Does Drift on Facebook and YouTube. See you in the next one.